Wanted to show you 2009 R1200GS. I stopped Table Rock back here behind me, took a picture, then we had a no start issue, and thank goodness I have purchased this thing about 3 years ago or something. It is a fuel pump, like a bypass thing. The fuel pump relay is known to go bad in these things, and I've never had a problem with my other GS, but apparently this one decided today was the day to do this. So that's gone out, and you got to remove, there's torque screws that hold all this in, unplug the wiring for it, pull this out. That's in a tool kit now. Plug this little blue tab in, and then I wired mine to run with a battery charger plug, but now the bike will run, so that's something to remember. If you ever have a no start, you need to buy one of these bypass. So now I'm able to get the bike home, so good deal.